Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation ఆధ్వర్యంలో ఇండస్ట్రీ కస్టమైజ్డ్ స్కిల్ ట్రైనింగ్ అండ్ ప్లేస్మెంట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో భాగంగా సినర్జీస్ కాస్టింగ్ లిమిటెడ్ నందు యువకులకు ఉద్యోగ అవకాశాలు కల్పించడం జరిగింది. జాబ్ రోల్ ట్రైనీ ఆపరేటర్స్. Qualification Diploma in Mechanical, Metallurgy and Electrical. Age must be 18 to 33 years. Both freshers and experienced candidates will be eligible for this job role. Salary 14,000 per month. ITI in fitter, turner, machinist, CNC, DM, foundryman and painters. Age must be in 18 to 33 years. Both freshers and experienced candidates will be applied for this job role. Salary 13,000 per month. And SSC or intermediate candidates are also eligible for this job role. Both freshers and experienced candidates will be eligible for this job role. Salary 12,000 per month. And number of vacancies are 100 positions. Second job role, skilled operators. Qualification, ITI trades and diploma in mechanical. Age must be in 18 to 35 years. Minimum 2 years and above experienced candidates will be eligible for this job role. Salary based on experience and minimum salary 12,000 to 20,000 per month. And number of vacancies are 100 positions. Then interview procedures will be in HR round. Training period 15 days. That is in on-job training. In addition to that, few points are added for above job roles. Skill weightage 500 rupees per month, which is applicable for apprentice or skill trained certified candidates, which is authorized by Government of India. If employed in Foundry department, allowance will be provided, that is 2,000 rupees, and free transportation facilities. Out of station candidates, accommodation will be provided, which is chargeable basis. It is approximately 500 rupees per head. Occupational health center and medical officer will be available. Employee transport, canteen fare and subsidized rates. Benefits, annual increment based on their performance, promotions, deputation to Synergies, that is in Oman country, and company cost. Career path for growth, awards and rewards for best performance, and annual bonus. Job location, Synergy Casting Limited, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Venue, Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Management and Science, ramanaihapeta, near sarpavaram junction, SRMT mall, backside, Kakinada. Last date for registration, August 11th, 2021. And interview date, August 12th, 2021. And reporting time, 10 o'clock. For more details, visit our website or call to Mr. Shivaramakrishna 9010737998. Thank you.